So since your wish is to go to Hawaii, we got you a beach bag, a towel that's blue because Doug, your favorite color is blue. Look at this awesome thing, guys! And that's the swaggy sunglasses that she gets to wear when she's on the beach in Hawaii swimming with dolphins.
Thank you for all you have done to help create life-changing wishes for children with critical illnesses and make more wishes possible for kids just like Gabby. Make-A-Wish is here to give each child hope, strength, and joy in their battle with their illness.
Being the papa of this beautiful little girl, I'm going to start crying. It's amazing what she's been through. I can't thank you guys enough for doing what you did to make her day. It's amazing.
Our team is what? Our team is what? Our team is
I don't know what else to say, but thank you all so much. And thank you for participating in this because there's a lot of little kids that need this. God bless you all. Thank you.